Hey YouTube, it's me Kristianna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to An Adult Pink period. Okay, so let's just get into it. Okay, every year I love to do what I like to call like my birthday portrait, right? Nothing special, nothing fancy. Okay, I usually do some sort of like DIY portrait to post on my birthday because why not? It's fun. And this year I'm just doing it and taking you with me, including like how I edit my pictures. So this is like a from start to finish kind of hangout sesh. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Okay, so the sun is doing a lot right now, but we're just gonna roll with it, okay? So my makeup is finished. She's cute. And now I want to kind of give you the vision, okay, for what I want to put on my body. All right, so it's funny because I decided to do something scary this morning and I went live on YouTube and some of y'all were there. Thank you so much for supporting me. But we were listening to Cowboy Carter album, Beyonce, and actually I think the vibes of my photo this year, my birthday portrait this year, is gonna give like Cowboy Carter for real, right? Okay, so I have this dress, right, that I bought a while ago. It's from Shein, but I ended up never wearing it, although I've like almost worn it a couple times, but then something would happen and I end up not wearing it and blah 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 blah. Okay, so I have this dress. It's got the poofy sleeves and it's like kind of bodycon. Now because I'm just in my house, I'm not putting on a shaper, okay? I'm not doing it, all right? I'm in my house, I'm comfortable. We're gonna let my fats hang out, all right? Period. Okay, so I'm gonna put this dress on and then look what I found. $5. I found it at Family Dollar not that long ago. I was looking for stuff, you know, I got my claw clip in my hair, but I was at the Family Dollar looking for stuff, odds and ends for New Year's, and found this little hat, and so I was like, oh my god, it's gonna give. You see the vision? I feel like you're gonna see the vision. And I put these earrings on. These are like clowns, like weird clown earrings, but the way that they're like a double dangly thing, I was like, okay, I think this actually goes with the vibe too. Let me just put the stuff on so you can see. Okay. Okay, you get the vibes? I feel like Mariah Carey right now. I feel like Mariah Carey right now. This is the vibe though. Yeah? I'm into it. All right, let's go to our shooting location. Okay. Sheesh. Okay, if you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. Okay, so I have a vision. I have another vision. Stay with me, okay? Right, okay, you see that arch right there in the doorway, my little arch here? This is the centerpiece of our photo. I'm gonna do some AI razzle dazzle to make it look like we're somewhere different, but I'm just deeply interested in taking this art here to another level and having that be just as much as the focus of the photo is me, but in a very cool, creative way. But I should probably put away my breakfast plates first. Just for your sake, because nobody is gonna see it. I have another tripod right here that I'm gonna put on the table, you know, for the aesthetics of this video. I ordered breakfast from Sabrina's Cafe. If you are, I don't know if Sabrina's is like a thing like IHOP is, but if you ever have a chance to eat at Sabrina's Cafe, I know there's one in the airport here in Philly, and then there's just like a standalone one, right? They have this like lemon blueberry ricotta pancakes. Delicious, okay? I treated myself to some on New Year's Day. And the stacks are so big, like big stacks, but also the pancake itself, like one pancake is huge. So I just like kept eating it for days and days. It was great, but now it's over. I had the last one today, but yeah. All right, let's get focused. So like I said, we're gonna be all up in here, right? I think I am gonna turn off this other kitchen light I have though, because it's orange, where just the regular light in the room is fine. It is a little bit gloomier today, but also it's like 1:30, so eventually it'll be nighttime. So I need to move kind of quickly too, but I'm not really worried. I think we're gonna do a couple of angles as well. I'm gonna try a couple angles here on the table, kind of high up, and then I'm gonna put the camera on the floor at some point and do kind of like an angular situation. But this is definitely, if there was ever like a trust the process kind of process, this is gonna be it today. Trust the process, period. We might make my hair a little curlier too in the final output. We'll see. Okay. Now I do have a DSLR here in the house, but I'm still an iPhone girly all the way. I just feel like my iPhone photos just hit much better. My phone trying to call the authorities. It's the phone case I have. I need to get a new phone case. This one was fun, but there's lots of lumps and bumps in it, and it makes it like kind of hard to navigate. Okay, I think we're gonna use Lens Buddy. If you don't know what Lens Buddy is, it basically is like self-shoot, and it'll take a million kabillion photos for you. I love Lens Buddy though, because now they have a feature too where if you wanted to shoot video of you too, it will. Yeah, we're gonna try a couple things, but there's a lot of Photoshop work on the other end. Okay. Okay, so everything is in position. Let's get to work.
3, 2, 1. 4 photos taken, 21 to go.
Okay, so we've taken, little flop. Okay, so we've taken our first 25 photos. I set my Lens Buddy 25 photos every 3 seconds. And like I said, I did a little bit of like video action here. So it was also doing videos, and just looking just initially at what I have. Let's see. Okay. I see some in here that might make the cut. But we're gonna get some more. That's weird, but it works. It's weird, but it works. gonna go do some in my little hallway. I feel like some of you have probably wondered what the heck is going on with my hallway, that I have this like, ooh, can't hardly see it. That I have this random pink piece of paper like stitched to the wall. And really this is just my backdrop for when I do makeup pictures. And we're gonna take some over here because I did a really good job of my makeup and you can't see it in the full body pics. So we're gonna get some of those real quick. Also gotta adjust my makeup. I'm having a really bad like watery eye day, which happens sometimes, but it's really annoying. Okay. All right, we back. We all know selfie style portraits are my like bread and butter, period. Let's get after it.
3, 2.
That's for certain. That future brighter than I know it. Grow like a lotus. I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping, it's in the knowing. Oh, destiny calling me, paving me. Peace within, angels all around me. I tune, I listen.
I already know we got some bangers in this one, period. That one's a little crazy, but this one is another banger, period. So cute. Now we go to the lab. Okay, so now that we have identified a couple of pictures that might work, we're gonna do a little hocus pocus. Let's start with something easy, with one of these like selfies, which I'm not really sure which one I'm in love with per se. This one has my eyes open, so let's do that first then. So I'm gonna go into Facetune, which I tell y'all all the time, like I edit my pictures. I don't care. I will disclose that I edit my pictures, but I'm gonna edit some pictures, okay? So this enhance button down here is like my bread and butter. It keeps my face generally the same. You see, before, after, keeps my face generally the same, but does clean it up a lot. We're gonna go in here actually though and smooth out this one area with the retouch, where my makeup kind of got messed up a little bit. You see, it got messed up because my eyes started watering. That's why I don't have lashes on. It's because I was having a bad like lash day. Yeah, that's good. But also that through the power of Facetune, we can actually give me some lashes if that's what we want to do. See, if that's what we want to do. Ooh, look at those. And then maybe lighten them up a little bit so they look a little bit more natural. Fun. Because my eyes were watering so much, I can see that they are not red per se, but they are doing a little bit of something. So I'm just gonna go into this like eyes section here, and hit whiten. So you could do like a lot, right? I'm only gonna do it like a little bit. That makes a big difference. I'm also gonna like zoom in and add some texture to my eyeshadow, some texture, and I'll probably hit that detail button just because I want you to be able to see that there's glitter happening. Like I really want that to pop. See? Poppington. Well, you know what might be fun too? Let's go back to the eyes thing. This has the eyes feature in here has a feature where you can actually change the reflection now, which is really fun. I think they have a heart in here somewhere. Did I make that up? Maybe I made that up, but I could have sworn they had like a heart design in here somewhere. But anyway, I'd be thinking about how there was always that story of the man who like looked into an influencer's reflection in their eyes and like found their location. That haunts me. I'm sure it's definitely a real thing, but I'm sure it doesn't happen like every day. Anyway, how fun is that? I think I'm gonna add some vibrance to my hair. It starts out on full blast, and then I'm just gonna, maybe I'll do like this and then I'll cool it off because my hair really is not this red. So let's cool that down. Okay. That's better. You know, let's do, even though you can't really see that much in this particular photo, I think I am going to add some texture. And add the details up here. Yeah, you see? That makes a big difference. Okay, we lost my my like kind of face contour, so I'm going to go back in the makeup and play with some of the contour options.
I kind of like this one because it gave me a little bit of blush. That makes me look weird. I kind of like this one, so we're going to give myself just a little bit of it. See, that before and after is really subtle. I love that. I'm trying to figure out if I need to do anything with my lips. But the lip was like very, very subtle. I think we are going to get rid of these straps though. Or at least like the white part of the strap, because that's kind of distracting. A little vanish tool. Perf. That was probably even better because it matched it up with my skin. I think we'll just smooth this side out. Sharpen up the fluff on the dress just a little bit. Okay, so this is like my rough edit, because at some point I'm going to decide on a filter for all of the pictures that get edited, and I'll do that one filter across all of the pictures so that it's more of a series. Like I usually do 3, like do my portraits in 3s, so this is just one of what will be 3 pictures. Chances are I'm probably going to do another selfie one as the 3rd, and then do one full body.
It flows.